Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to quickly switch between tabs in Google Chrome using your keyboard. To open a new tab and switch to it, press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. To move to the next tab, press Ctrl+Tab on Windows or Command+Option plus right arrow on Mac. To move to the previous tab, press Ctrl+Shift+Tab on Windows or Command+Option plus left arrow on Mac. If you want to jump to a specific tab, press Control or Command on Mac and the number of the tab. For example, Ctrl+2 jumps to the second tab and Ctrl+3 jumps to the third. You can use this shortcut up to Ctrl+8, and to go directly to the last tab, press Ctrl+9. That's how you can quickly switch, move, and jump between tabs in Google Chrome using keyboard shortcuts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.